Own your land a lot. Mount Shadows RV Resort gated age qualified 55 plus senior community. Park model with full-length covered porch. Great location close to the main clubhouse. Bedroom with queen-size bed, kitchen open to the living room with sliding glass door, and screen door to the covered patio. Storage shed with full-size washer and dryer included. Concrete driveway for extra parking. Backyard with fruit trees. The facilities have 2 clubhouses with many activities and amenities to choose from, including pool, spas, banquet room, indoor and outdoor kitchens, library, card room, craft room, billiard room, shuffleboard, gym exercise room, laundry facilities, barbecue and picnic area, horseshoe pit, close to shopping, restaurants, and doctors. Great for commuting to Temecula, Palm Springs, Idyllwild, mountains, and beaches.